Hi everyone, winter is upon us in less than a month and maybe you're looking to add some new shoes to your collection. To all of you looking for something comfortable you can actually stand wearing all day, I have exactly what you need. For today's video, I'll be reviewing knee-high boots and slingbacks from VIVAIA. They're a sustainable brand founded in 2020 that promotes eco-friendly products going beyond just footwear. From clothing to handbags, VIVAIA is on a mission to have a positive impact on the world. Besides the two pairs I'll be sharing in today's video, I also have another pair from them, and I can attest to how comfortable and durable they are. So during the pandemic, I started seeing more posts about mental health and skincare, but no one really talks about foot health. They quite literally carry our entire weight and deserve to be treated well. Am I right? I'm collaborating with VIVAIA for this video and I have 10% off code for you. I've thoroughly tested and worn these shoes, so all opinions here are my own. If you're following me on Instagram, you know that I brought these knee-high boots to my DC trip and wore them every single day. These are the Rebecca knee-high boots in black. Some unique features I love about these boots are the fact that it has a square toe. So this square toe makes it stand apart from its rounded counterpart. It's great for those who have bunions or wide feet in front because there's extra room and your toes don't squish up. This is also made from water repellent ethical yarn. I walked in some questionable liquids in DC and these boots did not stain. The inside is made from terry knit. It's super warm, and in case you want to wear shorts, skirts, dresses, you'll be able to do so without freezing. It also has an architecturally block heel, and this is not only aesthetically pleasing, but it provides comfort with a bit of added height. The stretchy uppers and shaft allow for the boot to adjust to your calves and stay up. So after all the walking and running around I did, both in DC and San Diego, and I plan on taking it to many more places, I can attest to the fact that it does stay up and it doesn't crumple like other boots I have. Heel is 2.6 inches in height and the height of the shaft is 15.74 inches. Next up, we have the Leah Slingback in cream ivory. Absolutely love the mesh detail and how work appropriate this is. This is just a close-up of it. What I love about these slingbacks are the pointed toe and the block heel. Shoes in general tend to squish my toes. I found that these were able to provide my toes with enough breathing room and they weren't piled up on top of each other. Another reason why I like pointed toes is because it has the ability to elongate your frame, and it's especially good for petites like myself. And the block heel is big and sturdy, meaning that it can support my weight and it's comfortable enough to wear all day long. Another feature is the mesh fabric on top allows your toes to breathe, especially on warm days where ventilation is always a good idea in every aspect of your outfit. The soft knit here is actually made from 6 plastic bottles, which completely blows my mind. Plastic bottles are chipped, spun into thread, and then they are knitted. Heel is 1.96 inches in height, and it also features the anti-slip rubber outsole. So as for sizing, I did have to go up half a size. So typically I wear a 7.5, which is a 37.5 in European sizes. However, for both of these and my previous one, I wear a size European 38. and I found that it fits comfortably. It doesn't lift up when I take a step, and there's enough room for my toes, and there is no gap. These shoes arrive in minimalistic 100% recycled cardboard, which just reiterates how much the brand really focuses on sustainability. Are you interested in these shoes? Well, you're in luck because both of these are still in stock, and I have a 10% off code, which is VLOVE. Do you own a pair of VIVAIA shoes? Would you consider investing in some? Let me know. Again, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.